Hi, is this seat taken?
Nope. Go ahead.
Thanks. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. How's your day going?
Pretty good. I just finished work. What about you?
Same here. I needed a good cup of coffee.
I know. Coffee makes everything better.
Absolutely. So, do you come here often?
Yeah, maybe once or twice a week. It's one of my favorite places.
Nice. I don't come here very often.
Really? Well, welcome then.
Thanks. By the way, it's funny. We've been talking, but we don't really know each other.
That's true. We should introduce ourselves properly.
Good idea. So, I'm 28 years old, and I work in marketing.
Nice. I'm 26, and I'm a graphic designer.
That's awesome. Do you enjoy your job?
Most of the time, yes. I like being creative.
That sounds fun.
What about you? Why did you choose marketing?
Well, I like meeting people and sharing ideas.
I can see that. You're easy to talk to.
Thanks. That's nice to hear.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago, but I live here now. How about you?
I'm originally from Seattle.
Oh, wow. I've always wanted to visit Seattle.
You should. It's beautiful, especially if you like nature.
I do. I enjoy hiking on weekends.
Seriously? Me too.
No way. What's your favorite hiking spot?
There's a trail near the lake. It's peaceful.
That sounds amazing.
Do you usually hike alone?
Sometimes, but it's more fun with friends.
I agree.
Besides hiking, what do you like to do?
I love reading and trying new restaurants.
Nice. What's the last book you read?
A mystery novel. I couldn't stop reading it.
Really? I usually read travel books.
Interesting. Do you travel a lot?
Not as much as I'd like.
Same here.
What's your dream vacation?
Japan. Definitely.
Great choice.
I'd love to visit Japan too. What about you?
Maybe Italy. I really want to try authentic Italian food.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too.
So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have one younger sister.
Nice. Are you close?
Very close. We talk almost every day.
That's sweet. I'm an only child.
Really? What was that like?
It was pretty quiet, but I liked it.
I guess you had plenty of space.
Exactly.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Mostly pop and acoustic music.
Nice. I listen to almost everything.
Even country music?
Well, maybe not everything.
That's fair.
Do you play any instruments?
A little piano. I'm not very good.
Hey, that's still impressive.
Thanks. What about you?
I tried learning guitar, but I gave up.
You're kidding.
Nope. My fingers hurt too much.
I understand. Learning something new isn't easy.
That's true, but it's worth trying.
Definitely.
You know, I'm really glad we met today.
Me too. This has been a fun conversation.
Maybe we can grab coffee again sometime.
I'd like that.
Great. It was nice meeting you, Emma.
You too, Alex. Have a wonderful day.
You too. See you next time.
See ya.